Friends, we've all seen the images. The aftermath of a tornado can be absolutely devastating. Twisted metal, shattered homes, lives turned upside down in an instant. It's a stark reminder of the raw power of nature and the importance of being prepared. Just a few days ago, Valley View faced one of the most destructive tornadoes in recent memory. The storm ripped through the heartland, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Homes were reduced to rubble. Businesses were torn apart. Families were left picking up the pieces. But amidst the chaos, there were stories of hope, stories of neighbors helping neighbors, stories of communities coming together to rebuild, and stories of how insurance helped families get back on their feet. The folks in Valley View taught me a valuable lesson, the importance of being prepared. Because when the winds start howling and the sirens blare, you don't have time to think. You need to act. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, being prepared for the unexpected. It's about having a plan, knowing what to do when a tornado strikes, and having the right insurance to protect your family and your property. Because while we can't control the weather, we can control how prepared we are to face it. And that, my friends, can make all the difference in the world. Let's face it, insurance isn't the most exciting topic. But when disaster strikes, it's the thing that can help you pick up the pieces. That's why I can't stress enough the importance of having comprehensive homeowners insurance. Think of it as your safety net, your financial guardian angel in the face of the unexpected. Now, when I say comprehensive, I mean it. We're talking about coverage that goes beyond just the structure of your home. It includes protection for your personal belongings, liability coverage in case someone is injured on your property, and even something called additional living expenses, AIL. Imagine this. A tornado damages your home, making it unlivable. Where do you go? What do you do? Well, that's where AIL coverage comes in. It helps cover the costs of temporary housing, meals, and other essential living expenses while your home is being repaired or rebuilt. Then there's personal property coverage. This is crucial because it protects the things you hold dear, your furniture, your clothes, your electronics. It's about having the financial means to replace those items if they're damaged or destroyed by a tornado. Don't wait until it's too late. Talk to your insurance agent today. Make sure you have the right coverage to protect your home, your belongings, and your peace of mind. Because when it comes to tornadoes and other natural disasters, being prepared is the best defense. Okay, folks, let's talk deductibles. I know, it's not the most glamorous part of insurance, but it's important to understand how they work. Think of your deductible as the amount you'll pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Deductibles can vary depending on your policy and your insurer. You might have a separate deductible for different types of damage, like wind damage from a tornado versus fire damage. And here's a key point. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your monthly premium payments. But remember, if you opt for a higher deductible, you'll need to have that amount readily available in case of a claim. It's all about finding a balance that works for your budget and your risk tolerance. My advice? Don't be afraid to shop around and compare quotes from different insurance providers. Ask about their deductible options and see what fits your financial situation best. Understanding your deductible is crucial for managing your finances and ensuring you have enough coverage when you need it most. Now, while having the right insurance is crucial, it's equally important to be prepared in other ways. Remember, when it comes to tornadoes, seconds count. That's why you need a plan. First things first, know your risk. Are you in a tornado-prone area? Check with your local weather service. Next, create a family emergency plan. Decide on a safe place to shelter during a tornado. A basement is ideal, but if you don't have one, an interior room on the lowest level, away from windows, is your best bet. Stock up on emergency supplies. Think water, non-perishable food, flashlights, a battery-powered radio, a first aid kit, the essentials you'll need to get through the first few days after a storm. Practice your plan with your family, especially with young children. And here's a tip: download a weather app on your smartphone that sends you real-time alerts. Knowledge is power, and knowing when a tornado warning is issued for your area can give you those precious extra minutes to seek shelter. The days and weeks after a tornado can be overwhelming. But time and time again, I've witnessed the incredible resilience of the human spirit. I've seen communities rally around those who've lost everything. I've seen neighbors helping neighbors rebuild, piece by piece. Remember the folks in Valley View? Their story is a testament to that spirit. With the support of insurance payouts, they were able to start rebuilding their lives. They didn't just rebuild their homes, they rebuilt their community stronger than ever. And that's the thing about disasters. They have a way of reminding us what truly matters, our loved ones, our community, and our shared humanity. It's about coming together, lending a helping hand, and offering support in whatever way we can. The road to recovery may be long and challenging, but with the right support, the right resources, and the unwavering spirit of community, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. So, my friends, as we've journeyed together through the aftermath of the Valley View tornado and explored the essentials of tornado preparedness, let's remember this. While we can't control the forces of nature, we can control how prepared we are to face them. Securing comprehensive homeowners insurance is not just about protecting your property. It's about safeguarding your peace of mind. It's about knowing that you have a safety net in place, a financial cushion to help you rebuild and recover when the unexpected strikes. Remember, knowledge is power. Understand your insurance policy, especially those deductibles. Have a plan, prepare your home and family for severe weather, and stay informed about weather alerts. And above all, let's remember the power of community. Let's be there for each other, to offer support, lend a hand, and rebuild together when disaster strikes. Because together we are stronger than any storm.